Hello to all mates, my name is Cristian Muñoz, course name Material Design for Virtual Environment, Step 2, Tools in Learning Environment. What is the Prezi? What is the Prezi? Cloud-based presentation software similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, strongly animated and dynamic, customizable templates. Getting started. Type in www.prezi.com. Choose to sign up using your email or Facebook account. Signing up using email. Signing up to Prezi, your personal information, first name, last name, email. There are different types of licenses to choose from. The first license is for free. That is a public presentation. You can edit and share the Prezi. You have 100 MB starter space. It's enough for a few Prezi. The second license is a private presentation. You can choose who to share with. You can get rid of the Prezi logo. You have a premium support, and you have a 500 MB starter space. And the third license, you can work online securely. You have a private presentation. You can use your own logo. You have a premium support. You have a 2 GB storage space. Creating a Prezi. To start, click on New Prezi. Choose your template. Maybe you can choose a professional, inspirational, and photography. This is the Prezi editor. You can insert functions. What can you insert? Background music, PowerPoint presentation, PDF, YouTube video. Inserting a PowerPoint. For example, this is PowerPoint presentation. That is so amazing. Why Prezi? Animation and effects are readily available. Interactive, cloud-based, user-friendly. For more detailed guide, please visit this page to how to use Prezi. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good one.